Welcome guys once again. So today in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about one of the most important research AI tool. So welcome guys. So today we are going to see about what exactly the SciSpace is about. Basically it is an AI which meets the research excellence. So are you tired of tedious research and you want the updated AI resource to integrate with your research? So it's the right tool to explore. Today I'm going to give you an introduction regarding what is SciSpace AI research tool and how it can unlock the full potential of your research using SciSpace. It can discover the AI accelerate research breakthrough, and even it will help you to transform your research in one query at a time. And it has multiple features which I'm going to give you an overview. Basically, the size space will help you to make your research easy. How? So it do contain multiple features. So as you all can see guys, this is ultimately an home page of SciSpace, where SciSpace will basically help us to give you an AI powered research tool for the scientists, researchers, and even students. As you all can see that it's mentioned very much clearly where you can get your fast research platform for AI based integrations useful for many researchers as well as for beginner students who are willing to become a researcher. So here you can see guys that it's given as a quick prompt where you can give your input query. You can ask the questions as some of the questions has been listed. So it's very easy guys. The user interface as you all can see on the home page, which basically give you like a simple keyword in the form of the questions can be asked in this size space, where in this particular prompt you can ask your any query, or else if you are willing to start your any project with research point of view. And if you have any queries and gets the relevant research paper, literature review, and some most important articles, so this web application will provide you a particular path to explore accordingly. As you all can see guys, you can give a very simple keywords to search. For example, why are aging COVID-19 patients are more susceptible to survive basically. Okay, so it will even give you like the significance of any data sets what you are interested. Today I'm going to show you one example so that you can explore accordingly. But before that, you can see that you can even integrate with your PDF and then get to know an overview. So that thing I will explore in the next sessions with respect to the future of X tutorials. And then you can even log in guys or else sign up for your personalized search. Apart from this, as you all can see that it will even help you to chat with your PDF. For example, if you have downloaded any PDF research paper, so you can ask the relevant questions to get the informations within the PDF research papers. Then you can even perform literature review. A very strong literature review can be done. It will even help to write based on AI tool. You can even find the topics, basically what we are going to do today in our video. And then you can even make a paragraph, citations generators can be done, and then you can even extract the data. Followed with that, you can even make up AI detectors for your data sets or as the content what you have written. And followed with that, you will even get PDF to video. So it do contain very important features which help for researcher. So a quick view we will explore over here. For example, if you want to ask a question, how bioinformatics So you can see guys that related keywords will be given for the suggestion. Okay, how bioinformatics can integrate with, as you all can see that over here, how bioinformatics integrate with machine learning to improve protein structure prediction. That is one of the suggestions which is given. So if you're working in that specific domain with your research, so this kind of related questions will help you and give you an overview regarding the same. So what are the application of bioinformatics in integrating with genomics to understand disease susceptibility? Or else, can bioinformatics integrate with artificial intelligence to accelerate the discovery of new antibiotics? So first we will just explore with this question and then we will just check it out guys, how exactly this SciSpace will help us to get for the research benefits. So once I just search for the keyword, you all of you can see that it will start fetching the research paper in front of you. And that is fantastic, right? So as you all can see that it's providing you as per your question input, which we have given as a prompt keyword. So it's giving you an answers for top 5 papers. So it will accelerate in the such a way that it will just come up with the research papers where a similar kind of research has been done. So as you can see that answers for your question what you have given, and based on that top research paper, 5 research paper has been screened, and that based on that the relevant answers has been get summarized in front of you. Okay, so there is one more thing before giving an overview over here. You can see that you can explore with the high quality work, so you have to log in for that. And apart from this, you can just scroll down and get all the informations accordingly. So you can save as this notebook, and then you can even get the citations and find the topics related with that. You can even click on more. So basically, as you can see guys, that this is the one of the paper. Okay, so based on the paper it will give you an information. So the integration of bioinformatics with machine learning, particularly deep learning, has significantly advanced the protein structure prediction, that is PSP. And then it will give you a following outlines that how this will help with the bioinformatics approach, such as conventional neural network for the protein structure predictions based on the secondary structure, tertiary as well as the quaternary. And then the link of the research papers are provided over here. So that is fantastic. Hybrid models are even there with machine learning and deep learning algorithms. And for that also you will get a research paper. So it will even give you an idea about like advances in computational methods. So if I'm interested to work on this particular topic, so which methods, techniques or tools as well as the database will help me to work on updated findings. So for that it has given you that which are the advances in the tools based on the computational approach you can integrate. Remember guys that it will same apply for your in vitro experimental techniques. So you can ask the questions based on in vitro research findings, and then you will get which are the current experimental techniques will help you to move for the in vitro validations. So it has given you like transformer architectures such as AlphaFold, as we all know, right? So it is one of the leading technique which give a very predictive and accurate protein structure prediction. Apart from this, it will even give you like which are the other methods and examples it's been explored. So that is fantastic. Followed with that, it will give you challenges and future direction. So that if I'm interested to go with this particular topic, so it will even give you like which are the future application of your research. And followed with that, what are the challenges so that I can look towards the challenges as a researcher to overcome and look for the future application. So here you can see that they have provided information that the challenges are working with a large database and automations of the manual data. Followed with that, it will give you, while machine learning has revolutionized with respect to their predictive analysis, and it will help to make a balance with the future findings with based on the protein structure prediction. So that is fantastic. So you can even find the topics over here. Once you just click on that, so it will start fetching the relevant information based on that, finding the relevant papers, finding the topics in the paper, and then getting the specific informations accordingly. So as you all can see that here, you can even export the data. So basically here it's giving you an information, right? So basically which protein structure information and how machine learning can be integrated over here, from where exactly you can use the data such as protein data bank, which algorithms can be applied such as hidden Markov model, and definitely the multiple sequence alignment should be done to perform the 3D structure predictions. Below you can see that the papers, basically the topics which are given, sources, how it is get generated, and sequence based features, how you are going to perform protein database analysis, how you are going to analyze learning, transform learning, and some more informations related with the same, and symbol methods, protein structure, protein engineering. So these are the followed informations you can get with your resources. Moving ahead, so if you just scroll down, so it will give you this most important overview. As you all can see, guys, here the 10 papers has been listed. So you will get separately the research papers on your screen. Okay, so journal articles. So the name of the paper is given over here with respect to their papers. Okay, and then it will give you the insights within the paper. See guys, this is fantastic. Okay, as a researcher, it's really fantastic. So if you're working with any kind of research topic, and if you want to pull out the literature survey, so basically it will give you what are the insights in the paper, okay, on your screen. So the paper demonstrates the integration of conventional neural network with cellular automate enhanced protein structure predictions modeling. So if it is getting correlated with your finding, then you can definitely use this. There is one more thing, like you can add the columns. Like I'm interested to make a summarized abstract, and I'm interested to get to know what is a conclusion. Okay, so you have to sign up for that. Okay, I want to know the limitations, what is the contributions over here. So you can start adding the columns. Okay, so first I will give you an overview, right? The insights are given, and followed with that I'm getting the summarized abstract. So protein structure predictions is taken with the deep learning, and which methods they have used, that has been mentioned over here. And then according to that you will get for all the papers what are the insights, summarized abstracts for the same. You can guys even add the relevant information over here. So you have to just add the conclusion part, just sign up the thing so that you can get those informations. You can even get to know what are the limitations in the paper, okay, what are the contributions, conclusions, results, method, that is really important. So that kind of things you can get from here. You can even make a filter like I need the open access papers only, okay, or else I need the papers which is getting provided based on the top papers. Okay, so if the top papers are there, you can even filter out those things. So it will get filtered out based on the open access as well as the top papers for you. And then you can even make a sort by filter, that is relevance paper, citation scores, new data set, or else the papers as a filter. And definitely you can even export the data. That is really important. So if you're doing a research, right, and if you need a good number of literature references, so you can get through by downloading in the standard file formats, and then further you can integrate accordingly using other research related citations tools which are available. So this is a starting and the beginner overview, guys. Okay, further I'm going to show you some more insights regarding how to use the SciSpace for research based application. I hope that all of you get an overview regarding the same. If you have any queries, definitely you can drop your questions in the chat box, in the comment, and then if you want to like know more insights regarding the utilization of the size space, definitely you can drop your questions accordingly. So the overall benefits of this size space is that it will save your time in research application. It will even enhance your productivity, getting to know how to lead your research accordingly. It will even improve your research quality, guys, remember. Okay, how it will improve the research quality is nothing but to get to know the prescribed information on your screen. And then you can even help us to facilitate with respect to the collaborations, and then it will even support the academic integrity. So that is best over here. So even it will help you to get the relevant informations based on the research based application. So if you have any queries, guys, definitely you can drop your questions. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more such content. Thank you.